Run it now. Alright, ready? I must say the man I don't know a thing going on, man. Let's see like in King I don't know so what they say the killers. Serial killer.
Yeah, man, don't say Belmont style all the way on. Play something, you got it.
You understand?
Yeah, dog.
Big up the whole of Belmont. Selfie TV, you know how much jobs to get already. Alright, yeah. Selfie TV are the real TV.
I wanna know. Elman, cause I'm going like we know. People will wish you good until you make it. You see when you are champion, your mother than the club love you. Say you are good boy, all who no bad mind. Push up your one in on it.
A unity make it up next year, 2020. Life spare everybody else. Because life have a spare now. And watch your spare life. The same thing we are doing now, we are doing it all over again and bigger and better. So Westmoreland, Belmont, Saglamar, White House, all the people them look on the video we want to see it from Selfie TV and know say unity will always be strength. Who don't want to see this, you're not a part of unity. I'm sorry fam.
That festival, we call it the Belmont Easter Weekend Celebration Festival. And it's 4 days of festival. It's the last day today, we Monday.
For the last night.
So it's the last night, the last holiday. After people have to go back tomorrow. Cannabis Selfie TV. Yeah man.
No DVD, no CD here.
All day, all night. So you got to feel alright. Everybody, hands up! Yeah! So that we share. Yeah, this is a party time!
Cannabis Selfie TV, we are watch.